Today we start another topic, working of diesel engine. Yesterday you learned about working of the petrol engines. Okay, so we start working of the diesel engines. Now diesel engine consists of 4 strokes. Diesel engine consists of the 4 strokes. Working cycle of diesel engine consists of the 4 strokes. First is suction stroke, second is compression stroke, third is expansion stroke, and fourth is the exhaust stroke. Okay, so like this I draw the diagram of the 4 stroke diesel engines. First is suction stroke, second compression stroke, third expansion stroke, and fourth is exhaust stroke. I will draw the diagram of diesel engine. Now in suction stroke, first is the engine cylinder. This is engine cylinder. Inside engine cylinder there is a piston. Suppose this is a piston like this. Okay, now this piston moves during the suction stroke. This piston moves downward. Therefore, like this is the working like this. Like this. This is engine cylinder. This is engine cylinder. This is called as a piston. This is piston. Okay. Engine cylinder, piston. This is connecting rod. CR means connecting rod. This is crank. This is called as a crank. And this is the crankshaft. Okay, in this way. Now here this cylinder, here at the top of the cylinder there is a inlet valve. This is the inlet valve. IV means inlet valve. Here there is a exhaust valve. This is exhaust valve. And here fuel pump or fuel injector. This is called as a fuel pump or fuel injector. Okay, this is a suction stroke. Okay, piston moves from here TDC to the BDC. This is called as a top dead center position. This is called as a bottom dead center position. Okay, this is a suction stroke. A second diagram I will draw similar ways. In this way, piston moves bottom to top. Like this. Like this. Piston moves from the suction stroke, the inlet valve is open. This valve is open. During the suction stroke, the inlet valve is open and only air, here only air is enter into the cylinder and exhaust valve is closed. When air is enter into the cylinder, the piston moves from TDC to the BDC. During the suction stroke, piston moves from TDC to the BDC and suction valve. Suction means inlet valve is open. Inlet valve open and only air suck into the engine cylinder or air enter into the cylinder. Okay, and piston moves from TDC to the BDC. Exhaust valve is closed. In this case, exhaust valve is closed. Now in second stroke, that is called as a compression stroke. During this stroke, during the suction stroke, piston moves from BDC to the TDC. Piston moves from BDC to the TDC. So here inlet valve and exhaust valve both are closed. Inlet valve and exhaust valve are closed, and during this stroke piston moves from BDC to the TDC and both valve is closed. Therefore the air is compressed inside the cylinder. Here the air enter during the suction stroke. This air is compressed. During the compression stroke. Okay, air is compression during this stroke. Now here third stroke is expansion stroke. Now before start the expansion stroke, what happens when the piston just reaches before TDC? यहाँ तक आने से पहले पिस्टन यहाँ से आने से पहले क्या होता है कि जो कंप्रेस एयर है, जो एयर कंप्रेस होती है, उसका कंप्रेस होने की वजह से क्या होता है कि एयर का टेम्परेचर बढ़ता है, एयर प्रेशर एयर का टेम्परेचर बढ़ता है. तो टेम्परेचर बढ़ने के बाद में जस्ट पिस्टन रीचेस बिफोर द टीडीसी, द फ्यूल पंप क्या होता है, फ्यूल पंप इंजेक्ट द फ्यूल दैट इज डीजल ऑन दिस compressed air and ignition takes place and heat is released and piston moves from TDC to the BDC. क्या होता है, piston TDC to BDC मूव होता है, that is called as the expansion stroke. Now stroke में क्या होता है, piston moves from TDC to the BDC. Piston moves from TDC to the BDC. During this stroke, inlet valve and exhaust valve are closed. Here fuel is injected. Fuel pump injected the fuel. Okay, this is during this stroke both the valves is closed. Now fourth stroke is what happens in fourth stroke, the exhaust valve is open and burn gases, here it is released here. The burn gases, these burn gases sweep out into the atmosphere through the exhaust valve. क्या होता है, ये जो बर्न गैसेस है ये यहाँ से निकलते हैं एग्जॉस्ट वाल्व से एटमॉस्फेयर में जाती है. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, पिस्टन कहाँ से मूव होता है, BDC टू TDC मूव होता है और इनलेट वाल्व क्लोज रहती है और एग्जॉस्ट वाल्व ओपन होती है और यहाँ से बर्न गैसेस बाहर जाती है. इस प्रकार से चार स्ट्रोक में डीजल इंजन वर्क करता है. इसके पहले अपन लिया था पेट्रोल इंजन. तो पेट्रोल इंजन में क्या हुआ था कि एयर और पेट्रोल आता था सक्शन स्ट्रोक में. यहाँ पे वैसा नहीं, यहाँ पे क्या होता है, ओनली एयर एंटर होता है ड्यूरिंग द सक्शन स्ट्रोक. ड्यूरिंग द सक्शन स्ट्रोक ओनली एयर इज एंटर and piston moves from TDC to the BDC. During the compression stroke, piston moves from BDC to TDC and air is compressed. Piston just reaches the TDC. The fuel inject on this compressed air and ignition takes place by the compression and heat is released and piston moves from TDC to the BDC, that is called as the expansion stroke. And last stroke, piston moves from BDC to the TDC and burn gases sweep up into the atmosphere to the exhaust valve. Working like this. Similarly, I explain कैसा वर्क होता है ये बता दूं मैं आपको. Like this. Now this is engine cylinder, this is piston, this is connecting rod. Okay, this is crank, this is shaft. Okay, now how this works? Now first suction stroke, this is TDC, this is BDC. Okay, during the suction stroke, piston moves from TDC to the BDC. Piston moves from TDC to the BDC. Now when piston moves from TDC to BDC like this, piston moves from TDC to the BDC. This is suction stroke. Okay, like this. This only air enter into the cylinder. Okay, only air enter to the cylinder. The inlet valve is open and exhaust valve is closed. Now second stroke is the compression stroke. During compression stroke, piston moves from BDC to the TDC, and this compressed air is compressed. Now this air is compressed. This is called as the compression stroke. Just before end of this compression stroke, the fuel injector or fuel pump injected diesel compressed air and heat is released. Okay, like this. This is compressed, heat is released, and piston suddenly moves from top to bottom like this. This is called as the expansion stroke, like this. And fourth stroke is when this gas is contained here, these burnt gases can be swept out to the atmosphere. Then piston moves from BDC to TDC. That is called as the exhaust stroke, like this. Okay, उतना लगा कैसे होगा? Now working like this. First this is called as a suction stroke. Only air is entered. This is called compression stroke. Air is compressed. This is the compression stroke. Before end of the compression stroke, the fuel is injected and heat is released, and piston moves from TDC to the BDC is called as expansion stroke, and last is exhaust stroke. Piston moves from BDC to the TDC. It works like this: suction, compression, expansion and exhaust. Suction, compression, expansion and exhaust. Like this can be worked. Okay. So this is complete about the working of the diesel engine.